Chapter 18. Words ending in ly. Learn with me. Most words ending in ly describe an action. They say how an action is performed: quickly, nicely, badly, neatly, or any other way. Now study the following sentences carefully. Swati writes neatly. How does Swati write neatly? Manya did her homework quickly and went out to play. How did Manya do her homework quickly? The soldiers fought bravely in the battle. How did the soldiers fought bravely? The wind blew strongly yesterday. How did the wind blow strongly?